First, we need to assemble sonar ship. Amazing! Filling sonar ship. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's measure the depth. It's time to head for the port. There is a right rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast so it'll notice us. Rocks on the horizon. Great! We got past all the obstacles. We have to assemble diving boat. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Diving boat. Pump. Ready. Let's explore the bottom. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. Rocks on the horizon. Left rudder. An island directly ahead. Right rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast to clear the way. Great! We got past all the obstacles. Let's assemble a stacker ship and a barge. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Stacker ship. Pump. Ready. Let's load the materials into blue barge. We did it! Let's lay large gabions. First, we need to assemble red barge. Keep up the good work. let's load the materials into red barge. You're doing really great. Let's add a rock layer. And now, let's repair. We need to straighten the screw. Let's tap on the blade to straighten it with a sledgehammer. Done! We have to assemble crane ship. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Crane ship. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's put the middle gabions. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. Look, there's an island directly ahead. Left rudder. Attention, another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast to clear the way. Hooray, we've sailed into the port. First, let's assemble a dredger and a barge. Hooray! First, we have to fill it. Dredger. Pump. You're doing really great. And now, let's load the materials into yellow barge. Hooray! Let's fill in the island. First, we need to assemble. Transporter ship. Done. Now we need to fill it. Transporter ship. Pump. You're doing really great. We will add a fertile soil layer. And now let's weld a crack on the ship. Let's drag the sander to the seam to make the surface even. Let's drag the spray gun along the stain to paint it. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Container ship. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Container ship. Pump. Keep it up. And now, let's load the materials into container ship. You're doing really great. Now we'll plant the grass. Let's repair. Ship carrier. Let's clean the chain and anchor from rust. And now let's cover the chain and anchor with protective paint. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Ship carrier. Press the pump. We did it. Now we'll bring plants to the island. to wash. Ship carrier. Amazing! We need to assemble a crane ship and a cargo ferry. We did it! Filling. Cargo ferry. Pump. We did it! It remains to put the house. You've managed to build a real island. Now someone can live here.